Hello guys, and welcome back to the Long Dark Interloper run. This is Ronyan, and we're at the fishing camp. Last time I spent most of the episode on Jackrabbit Island, just harvesting some rabbits that I trapped up there. And then I kind of slowly made my way over here. I'm just going to double check all these huts to make sure I've explored them. Pretty sure I have, but I'm always paranoid about overlooking any like looting opportunities. Don't want to miss out on loot. Don't want to miss out on anything that'll help me survive in these conditions. I've got about 2 hours of daylight left, and it's really cold right now, so we're gonna hug the side here and try to minimize the effects of the wind. Wow, the wind chill out here is really bad. It's only 23 degrees when I'm hugging the side here. Let's go ahead and get these sticks while we're here. Quickly continue on. I think we're gonna head for the Quonset hut and check out and see what we've got left there. I'm not entirely sure what's there, but there may be some guts on the floor curing or something. And I would like to find that right now because I want to remake a snare for one thing. So hopefully there's no wolves there. As long as we can avoid that, we'll be good. Got a car down there, and I'm pretty sure I've explored that already a couple of times. It's a little hard for me to remember which things I've explored and which I haven't, what I've looted. So often I'll go back to the same thing twice. But better to do that than to miss out on an opportunity, and it doesn't cost you much if you're already in the same area as the thing you're going to look at. I'm going to run a little bit here. It's because it's such a long haul to get back to the Quonset hut. Actually, I have to pass up the logging camp first, so I'll probably stop there and just check those buildings real quick. Yep, keep on running, man. We gotta speed up our travel time here some. Also, I don't care much about my rested condition, because it's going to be dark in like an hour, and I can just go to sleep and get all of it back. So I'll probably be running as much as possible on this stretch. And there's the log sort. Go ahead and check out these buildings. Well, the building, I don't know what you call it. It's like a mobile home looking building, but it's not really. I mean, that's sort of what it looks like to me. Let's go in here and check it out. Looks like I don't have anything in here. I could harvest some cloth if I wanted to. eat some of this rabbit meat. Yeah, it might be a good idea to go ahead and get some sleep now. I'm not going to have any more really usable daylight after I warm up. Fire starting is almost a level 3, guys. And that is a huge milestone because you no longer need tinder once you hit level 3. I'm going to sleep for 8 hours. Okay, it's clearly still dark outside. Can't see anything at all here. Go ahead and light up our lantern if we can get it out here. As I may head to the Kwanzaa hut now, I haven't decided yet. Now, the weather outside is pretty decent. It's cold, but the visibility is really good for night. Yeah, actually, I don't even really need this lantern, but I'll burn it because I think it's keeping me from getting like the triple down arrow on my cold status. It's getting it at 4 degrees. It's not very warm. We are going to try to move down to the Kwanzaa hut in the coastal town side here. Yeah, it's been a while since I've seen a wolf. I hope I'm not completely screwing myself over by saying that. I have a feeling I'm going to run into at least one here in the town site. Let's move as fast as we can. I don't want to become hypothermic or get the risk for hypothermia. Well, I don't have much time to get there. Although my condition is up to 86%, so I don't have to worry about that too much. I could stand to lose 10% and it wouldn't hurt me much. So with that in mind, let's slowly go up this hill and just keep our eyes open for wolves. And a good pile of sticks here. Yeah, a really good pile. So let's just kind of look around. It's kind of hard to see. May just want to risk it. I don't see any wolves, but I could have missed them. I shut the lantern off. in case that helps them detect me easier. I'll just slowly walk up to the entrance to the Quonset here. Go ahead and run and get in the door. Yeah, I didn't lose much condition at all there. I've got a wolf pelt and some guts here. Everything's cured most likely. Bunch of birch saplings I can use to make arrow shafts. So on the pelt, wolf pelt is 90% cured. Not quite there. Although it should be tomorrow for sure. Take some food. Drink a little water. And probably gonna hit the sack for a few hours. Just to get us into the daylight. Good deal, 88% condition. So let's see what's out here. I don't want to be bragging on my condition too much and then immediately get jumped on by a wolf. More sticks I can grab. I must have quite a lot of sticks by now. And wow, I don't see any wolves. I think they're probably going down in number because we're later on day 26 here, I think. "26 days survived on Interloper." I hear the crows making noise. Hopefully that's not a bad sign, but it can be. Yep, maybe it was. There's the wolf. Alright, we're gonna try to take him. Ah, man. Oh wow, I fought him off really quickly. So yeah, that was definitely worth it. I could actually re-attack him if I wanted to. But let's go into the house first, just to assess the situation of my clothes. Oh yeah, there's some damaged items here. Damaged gloves and a scarf, 20%. I don't have the cured leather to repair that. Let's repair the scarf. Yeah, that'll do for now. And repair these combat pants, because I really need them to stay intact. And we'll also repair the jeans. We're just going to repair a bunch of stuff here. Yep. 78%. Go ahead and repair it. Looks like the weather's bad outside. Maybe there's fog. Yeah, it sounds quiet. I don't hear a blizzard or anything. So that's a bit of good news. And I've run out of cloth now. Let's go ahead and break some more down with our hands. Wish you could change the default tool that falls on when you click on it. I mean, couldn't it just stay on the last tool you used? Because there's some reason they don't do it that way. Okay, let's go back out here and see if that wolf is dead or is still around or anything. I mean, I didn't hear the dying sound that you hear sometimes when you go outside. So maybe he survived my attack. I don't see a wolf body anywhere. It'd certainly be nice to see one. So yeah, I'm gonna collect even more sticks here. Gosh, I must have over 40 sticks by now, I imagine. Haven't checked in a while. The temperature's okay, it's not too bad. Let's make our way across the ice to thinking about going fishing since I have all these sticks. I got a deer on the ice. Should be nice if I could bag that one. See, I may try to shoot him here. Yeah, let's get down. I don't have a lot of time to stay out here and hunt though. See if I can hit him. It's a little short. Oh, still a little short, I think. Wow, that looked really close. I'm not sure why he didn't run from that. Wow, I'm gonna really exhaust all my arrows on this. I don't see how the deer hasn't heard one of these arrows yet. Oh, there he goes. That one looked like it was the right distance. Just off a little bit. Made another shot here. Wow, that almost hit him in the head. Hey, I'm gonna try a pathetic shot while the deer is running. Yeah. Not having much luck with this bow at all. Oh, and he changed direction right when I fired that one. Ah. No, this is not going well. I'm just hurting the condition on my arrows so far. Okay, that was way late. Make sure and try to collect all the arrows I fired. Never a good idea to lose arrows while you're in interloper mode, especially. If you lose that arrowhead, there's no other way to get it than to go to the forge. Once again, at risk for hypothermia. Any more arrows out here? Yeah, I see one off in the distance here to the right. Alright, so hopefully that's all of them. We're gonna get in the fishing hut and warm up. Actually, it is quite a bit warmer now. I can use the magnifying glass inside the fishing hut. That's a miracle. As fishing huts have no roofs, the sunlight just goes straight through them. Come on, fire. Hopefully I'm gonna get it first try here. Yep. Good deal. I had 41 sticks at least, or 42 I think. So I was right on the money on that. I actually haven't searched this fishing hut before. Let's check out all these drawers. And we've got a whole lot of nothing there. Let's break up the ice. I'm just going to throw some more sticks in here. And drink and eat some so we can catch more fish. Coho salmon on the first try. Trout. And that's about it. Need to cook these. Alright. Let's go ahead and eat one of them. Eat the trout. If I want to, I can fish longer by using reclaimed wood or the coal. Go ahead and throw all the sticks in there. And we'll add a few pieces of the reclaimed wood and save one for later. Let's fish 4 more hours. Then I'll get us into the darkness. Another coho salmon. Pretty good luck this time. Whoa, 2 in a row. Nice. Alright, and we got a blizzard going outside. That's not what I wanted to see. Yeah, let's go ahead and get all these fish cooked. Whoops. Clicked off it there. Thought I was on the cook button, I was on the back button. So let's get all that cooked. And now we've got an hour and a half remaining on the stove. I do have coal, which I can use to weather this blizzard, and we're gonna do that, and got plenty of time on the fire now. Let's go ahead and drink some, and then we can just pass time to get out of this blizzard. Or, well, actually fishing is better. Catch a trout. Hopefully I can get me another salmon. 2 trout, is that it? Yeah, that's it. And the blizzard is still raging outside. Oh well, let's go another 4 hours on the fishing. Pretty sure the blizzard won't last that long. Yeah, it's over now. In fact, we're almost into the morning. Another salmon, nice. Here comes the daylight. Yeah, let's get this fish cooked and then we can walk back to the fishing camp or whatever I was closest to, maybe the coastal town site. Well, I will have plenty of oil ready for the lantern. That's a good thing. And I'll have plenty of food from the salmon mainly. It's 1,700 calories in that one fish. It's a great thing to see when you're out here surviving. Got plenty of fire here. I used a lot of coal to do this, but it was worth it to get through that blizzard. So now I can make my way back to the... no, it looks like another blizzard's starting. Oh my god. Well, this is unfortunate, guys. We're going to cut the episode off here and join me again next time to see how we do in this one.